In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Apollo.io with LinkedIn, a process that should take you just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get you set up for a more streamlined networking experience. First and foremost, you need to open your web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, ensure you're connected to the internet. Go to the search bar and type in Apollo extension. Hit enter and you'll find various results. What you're looking for is the Apollo.io extension, likely titled Apollo.io Sales Intelligence. This extension is a powerful tool that can help you gather insights on LinkedIn profiles, perfect for individuals and businesses looking to enhance their sales and networking efforts. Once you've located the Apollo.io extension, you will need to add it to your browser. If you're using Chrome, for example, you'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome. This button is usually accompanied by subtle details about the extension's functions and permissions. Click on Add to Chrome, and you'll be prompted with a pop-up message confirming the installation. At this point, safety first. Make sure you're comfortable with the permissions the extension requests. If all looks good, click Add Extension. After clicking, the extension will automatically begin to install. It's as simple as that. You can easily verify if the extension has been installed correctly by looking at your browser's toolbar. Usually located on the top right, you'll find an icon that looks like a puzzle piece. This is your extensions menu. Click on it and scroll through the list to find the Apollo logo. Its presence there means you've successfully installed the extension. With the Apollo.io extension installed, navigate over to LinkedIn and open up a profile of interest. Looking to the right side of the profile page, you should spot the Apollo icon. Click on it, and this is where the magic begins. The extension offers a slew of functionalities, such as adding contacts to customized lists or sending connection requests. You can even craft personalized messages to potential contacts directly from the profiles. This interface also allows you to automate certain tasks, saving you time and providing a more efficient way to manage your LinkedIn interactions. With these steps, you will be able to maximize your LinkedIn networking by effortlessly integrating Apollo.io. Whether you are new to LinkedIn or a seasoned networker, this tool offers a substantial advantage. So, go ahead, give it a try, and see just how your networking game can be elevated. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.